Alright guys, now that you have your WordPress blog set up and you're logged into your WordPress blog, what we want to do is, first of all, get the blog structured correctly. And basically what we're doing with this site, since it's MLM Success Daily, is we're going to make a membership site out of it. And that way we kind of kill two birds with one stone, show you how to use the free membership modules or plugins that are available with WordPress. Some pretty powerful features with these. We're going to make a free membership site that is meant to provide training for people, personal development, internet marketing, everything that goes along with being successful in your MLM business. That's what's going to drive this blog. That's what the blog's content is going to be about. So the very first thing I do is I go ahead and I just delete the default post that's here. And I also delete the default page. Just throw those away. And then I come down to settings, come down to permalinks, and make sure that it's post name. The new WordPress pretty much is set up this way, but if you have an older version of WordPress, it's set up in this way. Okay, so this way right here is definitely the most SEO friendly, and this way is the way that you want to make sure that your blog is set up. So now that we've done that, what we want to do is we want to go to our plugins section. And what I do is I just delete all this stuff. Let me deactivate this one. It's good to have a cache plugin on there, but I don't like, my personal preference is not to have one because we're not going to do anything that's really going to log the blog down. Any video that we put on there or anything like that is going to be hosted somewhere else. So we're not putting a lot of stuff on the blog to make it laggy. And a lot of times if you have people reading your blog every day, this can make it difficult to for them to get an updated version of your blog. So we're going to go ahead and delete that, and we're going to do that by selecting all of these plugins, delete, and apply. Okay, once we've done that, we want to add a couple of additional plugins. One of the plugins I like to have is CK Editor, which is going to add a cool text editor that has a lot more features than the default WordPress does. We're going to activate it, and then we're going to add an SEO plugin. SEO by Yoast is the one I like. I'm going to install that, activate it, and another plugin that I like. You see how easy it is to install these plugins? I mean, it's really a very simple process, and nothing about WordPress is difficult. Another plugin I like is Custom Post Text. Okay, and then we're going to install our membership plugin, and it's called S2 Member. Okay, so that's going to get us started, and eventually what we'll do is we'll add a Facebook comments plugin. We'll integrate Facebook and Google Plus and all that other stuff. We'll integrate social sharing buttons and do all that stuff later on. We're not going to do that right now. Basically, we have everything that we need to get started as far as plugins go, and we want to really pick a theme now. And to be real honest, I really like the 2012 theme. I think it's got a clean look to it. I like the way that it's laid out. So we're actually going to use this theme, but if you did want to use another theme, all you would do is click Install Themes and then just click the search button. We'll bring up everything, and you can scroll through and find maybe a theme that you would like to put on your blog instead of the 2012 theme. But like I said, the 2012 theme is really clean, it's really fast, and looks really good, and it's a WordPress sponsored theme, so you don't have to worry about glitches and stuff like that. And you can pretty much customize it to make it look like whatever you want. So that's the one that we're going to be using, at least in the beginning here. And that's it, guys. I mean, we've pretty much got our blog set up, and we're pretty much ready to start putting it together and coming up with content ideas and laying out the structure of it. And that's where planning really becomes an important thing. So we're going to do some planning. We're going to do some layout things to our blog and make sure that it's laid out correctly and all that good stuff. And within a matter of a couple of hours of content, of putting this stuff together, we're going to have a ready to launch membership site. Okay, so it's just that easy. I mean, it really is. Within 2 or 3 hours of work, you can have a membership site up on the internet that's going to promote you, and we're going to use this to promote our MLM business. So really cool thing, and hopefully you're going to get a lot out of it. But that's it for this video, so we'll see you in the next one.